up, everyone? It's your girl, Nicole Young, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing a couple of tips that I have learned so far in working from home that have really helped me to be a lot more productive with my time. Now, I haven't been working from home for a long time, maybe a couple of months, but these are some things that have really helped me get it together. Let's get started. The first is to have a morning routine. If you are someone working full-time from home, having a morning routine will really help you to just set the stage and set the pace for the rest of the day. If you have a routine that you're always doing to get you in the mindset that you need to be productive, then you'll always be able to kind of really switch on and get stuff done when it's time. If you are someone who isn't necessarily full-time working from home, still set up a routine for yourself to kind of put you in the mindset and in the state of mind that you need to be in to get some work done and to be productive. If you're constantly doing a routine or ritual right before you plan on doing work, it's the same thing as athletes doing a warm-up routine before a game or a competition. It helps you to get in the frame of mind that you need to be in, and it works. The next thing is to get dressed. So if you are someone who is working full-time from home, putting on clothes and putting a little effort into your appearance can actually help you feel a little more productive. I know I was someone that at first was really excited to be able to wear sweats and pajamas and that kind of thing around the house while I worked, but I realized that was a lot less productive when I did that, and just putting a little bit of effort into the clothes that I wore and into, looking presentable, even if I was just going to be by myself all day, like it really helped me to feel ready to get stuff done. The third tip I have for you is to have a designated area to work in your house. I was someone that was trying to do work literally everywhere, all over my apartment, and I realized that there are certain areas in my house, like the couch or something, that I just don't get as much work done in. So having a set space in my house, which for me is my desk, keeping it clean and keeping it free from distractions has really helped me to get a lot more done. So when I sit here, I am just ready to work and nothing else. There's no other distractions. I've set it up so there are no other distractions for me to have to split my attention between. The fourth thing that I have done that has really helped me is setting a top 3 for every day. I kind of did this a little bit when I was working full-time in an office job, but I did realize that my expectation for working from home was that I was going to have so much more time to get more things done. And that just wasn't the case. I would have like 10 to 15 things on my to-do list when I first got started, but I realized that that's just not realistic, even still, even though I am working from home and have a little more freedom to structure my days the way I want them to be. So having a top 3 and making sure that I have some set priorities for the day helps me to make sure that I'm making progress throughout the week and knocking out the most important things. The next thing that has been really helpful for me is using a digital calendar and productivity apps. So I map out my entire week and schedule out blocks of time for when I'm going to do specific work throughout my week. And using a digital calendar to do that helps me to visualize and see where I have free time to get work done and where I have like meetings and appointments and things like that. And that has really helped me to really see how much time I have and be realistic about the expectations that I set up for myself each week. And I've been testing out a lot of productivity apps, but the one that I use the most right now is called Focus Keeper. And basically it uses the Pomodoro method of sectioning out chunks of time for focused work and then splitting it up with small breaks, and then after so many intervals, you get a long break. And using that app has really helped me to realize that something as simple as picking up my phone to check a notification really pulls me away and sucks a lot of time out of the work that I'm trying to get done. But when I'm using that app, I'm really trying to beat the clock and get my set tasks done in that little chunk of time. So it has really helped me to use my time a little more productively and just make me more aware of where the distractions are coming from. The next thing that has really been great for me is planning time to recharge. So if you're like me and you get really interested in your work and you kind of just like dive all in and kind of get consumed by it, it's really a good idea to schedule some alarms or something for you to get up and take a break. Just reminding yourself to get up and recharge. So I try to, keep healthy snacks around so that I can grab them on those 5-minute breaks that I take. I try to make sure that I stand up and stretch frequently throughout the day. I definitely get up and go take Robin for a walk and things like that, just to break up the time and really allow my brain to have moments of relaxation and rest when I am working hard on like doing things that can be really tedious. And the last thing, something that kind of goes along with that, is get out of the house. This was one that was really difficult for me at first because I am super introverted and really love being in my apartment. I've set it up to be a beautiful space that I really love to be in, and I just figured, like, why would I want to leave? But what I realized is that when I schedule time throughout my week of getting work done at a coffee shop or meeting someone for breakfast or lunch or something like that to just get myself out of the house, I do end up spending my time a lot more productively getting that change of scenery than when I am in the house all of the time. So those are the things that I've been doing so far in the last couple of months that I've been working from home, and the things that have been really helping me to get a lot more done throughout the day. Please make sure that you like this video, comment, and subscribe. Those things really help me out. And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another video. I upload new videos every single week. That is all I had for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Love you.